this really all just doesn't add up. Where's a squash in these woods?
If I wasn't hunting Bigfoot, I don't know what I'd be doing.
Look, I think there's a squatch in that bird's nest.
Let's go get it! Wait a second, it's just a bird.
Oh, dang it.
Wait, I think I heard a knock.
Alright, let's send your spots to that knock. I got this. No, and three. Okay. Guys, I think it's yelling to us. I'll fall back. We got another. I'm going.
Go.
Water protection. There's this nice swampy area right here, so it can get its water. In here, it has plenty of cover from rain or snow or anything else. And the field is somewhere around here. And he'll find it eventually.